Hi everyone. Let's look at this sentence. The director and founder of Microsoft blank coming. So the director and founder of Microsoft blank coming. So what's the correct option? Is it are coming or is coming or were coming? Je sais que dans une situation comme ça, certaines personnes peuvent dire are coming parce que pour eux, c'est comme si c'est deux personnes, the director and founder. Mais non. This sentence is referring to one person because we have only one definite article, which is the. Okay? The. So the director and founder. It means that the director is also the founder of Microsoft. Okay? Le directeur est aussi le fondateur de Microsoft. So c'est une seule personne. It is one person. It is referring to one person. So we have a singular subject. So it means this is the subject. And we have a singular subject. We have a singular subject. So if we have a singular subject, then we need to apply a singular verb to agree with it. Okay? Now, what is the option? Is it the director and founder of Microsoft are coming, or is a plural verb, or is it is coming, is a singular verb, or is it were coming, were is a plural past tense verb? Since we have a singular subject, we need a singular verb to agree. Therefore, the right option is what? Is. And then it reads, the director and founder of Microsoft is coming. Le directeur et fondateur de Microsoft vient. Okay? So you do this. Okay. Exercise. The manager and father of Rex, blank, good man. Is it the manager and father of Rex is a good man, or are a good man, or were a good man? Écrivez ça en commentaire. Si vous la trouvez utile, likez, partagez et suivez ma page.